What we're going to show you now is a fabric that is a little unusual. All the other fabrics we've shown so far have been basically flat. There's been not any texture, three-dimensional texture at all. This and the next three fabrics I'm going to show you have grain, they have texture, they have some kind of three-dimensional quality to the fabric. This is what we call a 3D grain, and we have others that are very different. Now, the difference in these lights, in this reflector, is it's going to modify the light differently between one and the next and the next. The difference is something you're going to have to sit there and decide for yourself if you really like, or if you want to change it to something else. But it's not just the light coming in and coming straight out. When you have a three-dimensional, highly reflective surface like this, it's coming in, but it may hit a curved part, which means the light's going to go a different direction. That means it's actually diffusing the light. So what we have here is we have a hard reflector that is also diffusing the light. Now that sounds counterintuitive, but that's what it's doing. And the reason it's doing that is because it's three-dimensional, you have angles on the bumps, if you will, and those angles are going to change the direction of what direction the light's going to go. And you may or may not be able to see it until you get into the eyes or into the fine shadows, but it is changing the light. It is also directional, as you can see, but as you can see, when you feather it, it doesn't feather quite as abruptly as the flat surface. The flat surface, when you do this, it goes dramatically darker. It's not doing that now. It's more of a slight gradual change, even though it's a highly reflective surface. It's very unusual, very interesting, and it will bring another quality to the light that you want to use.